Okay, so follow me for the next test. Okay, test 5.3 I think 5.3 I under your exercise 5.3 question B 15 and 16. 15 and 16 will find these two questions on textbook page 119. Let's start with question B 15 then. Let me read the question for us. Okay, so here a contractor on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows. So penalty means fine. Okay, so for the delay, rupees 200 for the first day of delay and 250 rupees for the second day, rupees 200 for the third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day means after the third day, the succeeding day will be the fourth day. That is the meaning of succeeding day, begins being rupees 50 more than the preceding day. So how much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days. So here we have you can just start. I think very clearly given penalty. Penalty means the fine paid for not completing on time for the delay. Okay, so penalty that the contractor has to pay if he delays by one day, that is first day, is rupees 200 on the first day. That is the unique case. Okay, and then the rest is penalty for second day of delay would be rupees 50 more. I think that's what we can specify here as the first term, A1, as rupees 200, and here A2, let us say rupees. As you read the question, it is second day is 250, so 250. Likewise, penalty for the third day delay, A3, would be rupees, if you look into your question, let's say this rupees 300, and so on, etc. So you can just write here which forms clearly an AP, which forms an AP with where or with first term value is the A1 or A. Let's put A, which is equal to A1, which is equal to rupees 200, and the common difference D is the common difference is A2 rupees. Okay, you can just avoid the rupees. A2 value 250 minus A1 200, or for that matter A3 minus A2 also is giving you 50 only, so common difference is there. This is the D is always 50. 250 minus 200, 50. 300 minus 250, same 50. Because of this common difference, we are saying it is an AP, right? And then as you go on, and one more information, last sentence. Okay, how much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days. Number of days, total number of days delayed, which is the number of terms actually is 30 days, means 30 terms will be there, right? So N is there, D is there, N is there, D is there, A is there. So you can use this formula to find the total amount paid for delay. So Therefore, okay, therefore, last statement, how much money the contractor has to pay? Money paid as penalty. Therefore, money paid as penalty for 30 days. Money paid as penalty for 30 days will be sum of, since 30 days means 8, 1, 8, 2 like that, 3 up to 830 will be there. So sum of 30 terms will be n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We are using this formula. Okay, so we can just continue. N is total number of terms here will be, as you can see here, n 30 divided by 2 into 2 into the first term value a here is 200 plus n is 30 as we said minus 1, n minus 1, n minus 1 into d. So the d, the common difference value is 50. So you can put that value 50 and then we can proceed. I think this is what they're asking, so we'll just rub out this portion to continue because there is lack of space here for me. Before that we can cancel 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2 and then 3 is there, means 2, 3, 1 remainder, so that 1 will go to the left of this, to the left side of this 0, so make it 10. And 2, how much is 10? We'll put that, 2 5s are 10. So we're having here 15, 30 divided by 2, 15. 2 2s are into 400 because there are 2 zeros here, plus here 30 minus 1 is 29 into there 50. So we can close it. So here they will give you 15 into then this one here 400 plus, you can just multiply here itself. I think 5 9s are 45, 4 in hand, write the 5 and 4 in hand. 5 2s are 10 plus 4 is remainder is 14, 1 0. So 29 into 50 is, in other words, 1450. Okay, then here 15 into, it's quite easy, I think 400 plus, you can remove this if you want. 400 plus 450 is 850. So that will be equal to total number of amount of money paid as fine will be equal to, in rupees they are mentioning, so I just we write that rupees once, and then we multiply this 850 multiplied to this here. You can avoid multiplying the 0 by pushing it aside and just adding the 0 in the end after multiplying 85 into 15. 5 5s are 25, 2 in hand. Then 8 5s are 40 plus 2 remainder 42. Then here 1 5s are 5, then 1 8s are 8, then here 5 7 and 12 on adding this 2. Then don't forget to put this 0. You can write these things on your graph. So in other words, 15 into 850 is rupees 1 2. I think somewhere we went wrong. Textbook answer is coming different. Okay, let's check where we went wrong. 2 into 200 plus 29 into 50. Up to here is correct. 29 into 50. That's for sure. Oh, I think we got it wrong here. See here. 5 9s are 45. Please correct it. Here, up to here correct. Here 5 9s are 45. 4 in hand. 5 2s are 10. Plus 4, 14. We forgot to write 1 there. So please remove this step. Please. The last second step is the place where we went wrong. 15 into then 1400 plus 400, 1800 plus 50, 1850. So you just remove this from your graph also. The multiplication should be therefore 1850, and then don't forget to close the bracket. 15 into 1850, so 15 and 185 you multiply. Pushing the 0 aside, 5 5s are 25, 2 in hand. 5 8s are 40 plus 2, 42. And 4 remains, so 5 1s are 5 plus 4 remainder, 9. 1 5s are 5, 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1. Then we can add this number, then 5 here, 7, 17, 1 in hand, 1 plus 1, 2. And then don't forget to put this 0 after adding, multiplying these 2 and adding. Just put this 0. So write this thing on your graph now. I think it's coming out 2775. Yes, same as textbook answer. Now it's coming out. So that will be equal to the total amount of fine paid is 27,750 rupees. I hope you got that right. Then one more question. Question B16. So let me read the question for us. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prize to students of a school for their overall academic performance. So there is a prize given to students for good academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, that means if first prize is a certain amount of money, second prize will be 20 rupees lesser, third prize will be again 20 rupees 20 lesser than second prize. That's what is meant by the statement there, that second sentence, if each price is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, means that meaning of that is what I just told now. Find the value of each price. So let us write here. Let the value of the first price, let us write 1. Let rupees A be the value of the first price. Okay, or the first price. Okay, that's done. Now here, difference between the value of two prices. That will be your common difference. Difference between the value of two consecutive prices. Between means between first and second price, or second and third price. Consecutive prices will constitute, by common sense also, the common difference D, which is, the question is saying 20 less. So I'll just give you an example. Okay, if A1, the first price is 200, then second price it is not 200. I'm just giving an example to explain this. Okay, so A2, the second price will be 20 less, means 180. So common difference will be here, because it is 20 less, 200 minus 20, second price should be lower than first price, right? So A2 minus A1, common difference is always A2 minus A1. A1 is 200. So 180 minus 200 is minus 20, minus 200 plus 180. So they will give you subtraction minus 20. That's why you get here minus 20, not plus 20. That's where we have to be careful, because each price is decreasing by 20, not increasing. Second price is decreasing by 20 rupees from the first price, okay, compared to first price. So that's your common difference. Okay, and then number of prizes. So that is there, number of prizes. Number of prizes to be given out is 7 prizes. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, 7. So 7 prizes means 7 terms will be there. So that is the number of terms, 7. Okay, and the total price is 700. So here we see here that sum of the values of 7 prices, since sum of rupees 700, sum of rupees 700. Okay, so sum of the values of all the 7 prices of 7 prizes, sum of the values of 7 prizes is equal to rupees. Total number of money given out is for all the 7 prizes is 700. In other words, sum of the 7 prizes S7 is equal to rupees 700. That's what is meant by this statement. So that gives you S7 using this formula here. I'll just write here n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, and then is equal to rupees 700. So that gives you total number of prices 7. So 7 divided by 2, n is 7. Then here 2 into a, we don't know the a yet. N is 7 minus 1, as you can clearly see here. Into d is minus 20, not plus 20, as you can see, common difference. Because each price is decreasing, decreasing means minus, is equal to rupees 700. So you can just neglect the rupees for the time being if you want, just to calculate the a. Okay, so that implies, here I'm just going to write this 2a plus here 7 minus 1 is 6 into minus 20. So here 6 into minus 20, close the bracket. I need more space, so let me just move. I think this will be okay by now. So that gives you here 2a plus 7 minus 1, 6 into minus 20, close the bracket, and that will be equal to here 700. Then if you shift this 7 by 2 into to the right side, this up 7 will go down to denominator and 2 down will go up. So here this 2 will go up, 7 will go down on the right side, on the other side. This is the same as this portion. So it gives you 2a. Now we can remove the bracket, I think. So 2a, twice a or 2a, plus into minus, minus. 6 2s are 12 and 0. So 6 into 20, 120 is equal to 7 into 1700. 102 is 200. So you can remove this bracket. Want to find the first price value a, so first, so just keep there, and minus 120, shift to right side, plus 120. I hope you're getting right. Then here that gives you a equal to, or simply continue with 2a one more step. 200 plus 120 is 320, and so a will be 320 divided by this 2 will go down. So that is the value of the first price. So here 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and 3 is there, means 1 remainder. That 1 will go to the left of 2 and become 12. 2 6 are 12, and then 2 zeros are 0. So first price value is 160 here. Just keep it there. Therefore, once we get the first price, the rest is quite okay, I think. So here, therefore, value of the first price, value of the first price, we got this one. Of the first price, a, as you can see, equal to rupees, just now here 160. So if you got the value of the first price, it's rather easy to find the value of the next, second, third, up to 7 prices, because we know the common difference. So value of the second price, a, is 20 rupees lower the next price. So let us say a1, let us say a. Okay, we can just put here without any denotation, is equal to rupees. It is second price is 20 less than first price, third price is 20 less than second price. That's what the question is saying. So 160 minus 20, the common difference, which is equal to rupees 140. So likewise 160 in the one, yes, value of the third price will be 20 less than the second price. So second price 140 minus 20, rupees 120. Value of the fourth price, rupees 120, the value of third price minus 20. So that is rupees 100. 3 prizes gone. Oh, 4 prizes. First, second, third, fourth. Then value of the 5th prize is rupees 100. The value of 4th prize minus 20, so that is equal to rupees 80. Then value of the 6th prize, go 20 rupees deduction each time, so 80 minus 20 rupees 60. And finally, value of the 7th prize, rupees 60. The value of the 6th prize minus 20, so that will be rupees 40. So this one here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 prize value is rupees 40. Yeah, same as textbook answer. So that concludes the part for this test. Okay, I hope you got it.